Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. Are you Mr. Solomon?
Yes, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Thank you, ma.
You got yourself the job.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Thank you.
That's okay.
Thank you.
You look good.
Thank you, ma.
So I'm going to chill. Do you want to come with me?
Join you to chill?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma.
No, it's okay.
No. My mother told me that if somebody offer you something at the first time, it's not it. It's not I don't want to chill, but I just got the job, so I need to respect myself.
Oh,
ma.
no, it's okay.
Let's go. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Stop calling me ma. Just call me Diamond, okay? Yeah, Diamond is okay.
No problem. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Please stop it.
Thank you, ma.
I like your nose.
Ma, that one I lie you. Even my friends used to laugh that my nose is not fine.
No, it's fine. It's okay. I like it.
Really?
I like it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Yes, ma.
That's okay. Come, let's go.
Ma, the way you are holding me,
Let's go.
You are holding my waist is making me shy.
You know I like you, right?
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Stop it.
No.
Stop acting like a baby. What's your problem? Come on.
Ma, stop. Please stop.
What is it?
Please.
Don't you know that this is part of what I'm paying you for? What is wrong with you? Come on now. I know you want it. Stop.
Ma, I can't.
Stop.
Please, I can't.
You're leaving. You're walking out. It's leaving. Stupid man. Cannot even do anything safe. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, man. Take.
Ma, please, what's this?
Can't you read? Your sack letter.
But you are supposed to pay me my salary tomorrow.
That's why I'm sacking you today. Nothing. Cannot do anything.
Mr. Solomon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
Very fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, well done. I can see your work.
Thank you, sir.
You are very hardworking. Wow. Today is 25th, right?
No, sir. 24th, sir.
Oh, okay, that's good. You know we have to pay you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. I'm coming. Just hold on.
All right, hold on. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Solomon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this for you. You are fired. You don't need your services anymore, please.
Sir, what did I do, sir?
Even me, I don't even know what you did, but you are fired. We don't need your services anymore, okay? You just have to leave the premises right now, okay? Please.
Brother Solo,
Techno Bob, how far?
I see your car, I can't see your text. Now I say, man, come meet you. What's happen?
Bros, I don't know what really happened to my life. All the jobs I just get, once you reach a day to when they go pay me salary, they go sack me.
You sure say not be your village people, they run this one so?
I don't even know. I'm confused, frustrated. I don't even know what to do. Life is becoming so unbearable. I don't know. I need a job. Help me if you can, please.
Okay, I get one of my guy will get company then. They look for workers. I know that you drive bike, Abi?
Yes, I feel the drive bike.
They drive bike.
Yeah, I fit.
And they go give you, I'll talk to the person on behalf of you. So that they will give you the work quick.
Please, bro, if you can help me,
And we'll just go tomorrow.
Tomorrow too far, I beg. If you just go today now, because I know what will they do now? I just carry me go there. Bro, you need to help me, I beg.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
I'm
gonna go.
Oh yeah, now let's go. Which side are we?
Remember that time you tell me say you look for work?
Yes, I did. Good afternoon.
I bring my guy come.
And
he look for job.
All right. You can sit down.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
God bless you, sir.
Young man, can you ride bike?
Bike?
Yeah.
I can ride bike very well, sir.
Wow.
I used to ride bike from Benin here to Lagos.
Wow, excellent. That's nice. That's nice. All right. The term is that every two weeks you'll be balancing 12.5
I will balance 12,500 naira
Yes.
every 2 weeks.
Yes.
It's nothing, sir.
All right. If you can do this, after 3 years, the bike will be yours.
Stop it. Stop it. You people play too much.
No, I can't be playing.
You mean if I balance 12.5 every 2 weeks, after 3 years of consistent balancing, this machine will be mine?
Bam. It will be yours.
Forget it. Come off it. I will balance you. I will shock you, sir. And I will shock the company.
That will be great. I think
I will balance before due date. Trust me.
This is the key.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And this is the document.
So
you have to keep it.
Yeah. To the bike.
Yeah, to the bike, everything.
Okay, everything, license, everything. Yeah.
Everything, yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. So my own just to balance every 2 weeks, and that's all. Sir, like I said, I will shock you and I will shock the company.
Wow, I'll be great.
Because I will balance before the due date, sir.
It's okay.
Thank
it
you
will be
very
great
much,
if you do that. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. You're welcome.
Mama, good afternoon. Should be everything complete, Abi? Okay. All the money I give you, he cover, Abi? Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. God bless you. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Well done, sir. Sir.
Indeed, you said you will shock us. Wow.
I've actually come to shock you people. Sir, you will have to hold this key first. And the papers.
I don't.
Sir. Sir, I don't resign though.
You must be mad. I think so. What about the 12.5 you're supposed to balance?
Sir, the very first day I left here with the bike developed fault. And since that time, I couldn't even carry any passenger. So the things have just been anyhow. So I had to quickly bring it back. Man, give it to you people.
Young man, I think nut must have fallen away from your head. Security!
Jesus is Lord!